Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of the school building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish the roof for the gym and here as well. And then we added some railings and we added some curtain walls to start our windows. So here we're gonna continue working on this. Specifically for this area, I want to finish or to extend this all the way to the top. And then also here, and then click this, attach to the top. And then also on this area, we're gonna attach it all the way to the top. So which is what happened. And then now we can add in our grids. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to my east elevation and I want to make sure that I have the curtain grid line up perfectly. So I'm gonna add it onto this part. Or this one, I could just copy the TO, or below it. So around here, and then I want it to be down as well, around 1000 below, and then 27 at the top. Here as well, I want it to be around 2200, or yeah, 2200, and then below I want to copy what I did here, AL, so something like that. And if we see, we have the cuts, and then I'm gonna add another cut here as well. So let's go back to east elevation and then click on the grid, and I want to divide it from the middle. Here I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then now I'm gonna go back to my 3D and then copy the same thing for the other side. So I'm just gonna click 3, and then you can just use align AL to align everything. That's why I gave a gap here so that I'm gonna be able to add this one later on. So this is good. And then it's best if we go to our elevation when you're adding the grid line as well, so that everything is according to what you want. So here I'm planning to add it every 2500. So as you can see, you can manipulate or you could adjust accordingly. And if you make a mistake, you could just redo it. and then you could just type it like that. I'm gonna do the same here. Here I'm just gonna do 2000. Okay, so that will be good. And then let's do the other side. I'm gonna do this in 3D, and we could actually do this equally, so that will be fine. I equaled everything, and then now we could add in mullions, and then all grids. I'm contemplating which one. So let's try the circular. Let's see if it looks good. Yeah, it looks promising. Something different. And we're gonna add in a cover here, or an entrance canopy. And then let's do the ground floor right here. I'm gonna add a curtain wall right here as well for the teachers as well. And then here at the gym. And obviously here at the entrance. I might delete this so that we could extend all the way, and then we could use the curtain wall doors. So I'm just gonna delete this now and extend this. I'll just extend this one a little bit like that, and then go to modify and then cut geometry. So now we need to pull this down. Then I'm gonna use align, and I'm gonna use tab so that to control it. Okay. And then let's go to our east elevation and then just add in curtain grid. And I'm gonna do 700 from below and above. And then let's do this one as well. This is the front door. So 24. I'm just gonna undo that. And then I'm gonna use this as an entrance. So maybe I could make this bigger. And then 700 above and then below. And then align this. And then we're gonna add the double door here. And then here it's just the teachers. And then now let's add in mullions. We're gonna delete this. That's for the entrance. I feel like I want to change the mullions. So the circular, I don't feel like it's what I want. I'll just stick to rectangular. So I'm just gonna undo this. Click mullion. I'm gonna change this to 50 by 65. So that's okay. But for this one, let me see if I could change this. So what you can do so that you can change this all at once, just click on one of them. So I'm just using my tab and then I'm able to click one of them, right click, and then select all instant visible to the view in view. After that, everything is selected. Now we could change it to 50 by 65. So now this is what we wanted and it looks better. And lastly, let's do this. We're gonna do, we're just gonna even everything out. I couldn't just see this properly, but let's try and go to our south elevation. So we're gonna even this out. So it's easy because it's 1500 on each. And then let's do the one at the top and the bottom. And then click on millions and then click everything. Now it looks good. I'm just gonna clean this up. Holding on my control button, I could select each and everything that I'm seeing here. So now everything disappeared. So the last thing that you need to select is the floor. So I was able to select the floor. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in a canopy and then let's insert the curtain wall door. So go to the door, double glass. So I'm gonna use this storefront, open, and then now I'm gonna select this, tab, 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 and then select the panel, and then go to drop down, and then it will be loaded here. You just need to show. So there's some instance that is not element searching through the, so it's not found. So for some reason it's not loading. So that's fine. We could just load another one. I'm just gonna load this. Instead, and then don't forget to delete this. So now click on tab again, click on the panel once it's highlighted, and then this one. And then for some reason it's not showing. So give me some time, I'm gonna figure this out. Why it's not loading. Can't make type storefront. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add something like that. And then now, because we made it smaller, let's see, or let's load up a different one. Let's let's just load the single and see. I know now what I forgot to do. Click on tab. It's because of this. So load on tab, and then it's because of that grid line, that's why. Curtain grid line, and then don't forget to put it on fine so that it shows up. Okay, so now let's add this, and then the other side as well. So for some reason it's showing some error, and then we could just add one grid like that. So that's good enough. I'm happy with this. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.